Hello everyone and welcome to CodeNaman. So guys, today I would like to share something little interesting and I'm working on this project from last couple of days actually. So what is this project? So this project it's a kind of a small feature for our CodeNaman platform and what it is going to do. Like uh, before that I will give you one example. Suppose you are looking for some job role. So what you will do, you will go to Naukri.com or Indeed.com and you will pass your parameter or filtration like job title or tech stack, what you're looking for, and the salary expectation, and when it got posted, experience, work mode, or location. So these are the common input or you can say parameter which you will pass to those platform like Naukri or Indeed or any job platform. Okay, and then you will get your relevant information and then you proceed with those information actually, right? So what I thought, why to visit multiple sites? Why not we can have a single platform, and from there like you can get all the information from the multiple sites, and if you liked those job description you can directly visit uh, from the single page actually, from this single platform actually. Okay, so because of that I have created this application. Okay, so now you can see like if I'll click here in the search now, so here you can see like what my algorithm it did. So because currently I'm not looking for any parameter here, so it randomly it picked up few of jobs from the Naukri.com and Indeed.com. And why it is picking from the Naukri.com and Indeed.com? Because our algorithm it's got configured in that in in such a way. So like not such a way like it's configured with Naukri.com and Indeed.com only. So that's why that is the reason it's grabbing from this platform actually. So here if you'll see, if I'll click here on this, if suppose I like this, the first job, so it will directly redirect me to the job posting, page actually. And here I can read all the job description, whatever the requirement or skill set I can see here. And if I like, then I can click here for apply actually. Okay. The similar way, we can take another example, like because we are developing this for a tech. So just take like full stack developer and tech stack like Python, React, AWS, and minimum salary. This is not going to work right now because there is some regex issues coming. So plus for now you can ignore this. Posted time 3 months, experience take like 8+ years, or work mode is hybrid, or location is Hyderabad. If I do search, now you see like all the result we are getting. So here you can see this full stack developer and full stack, this is also full stack React.js, senior Java developer, Java full stack developer. Okay, so now you can ask me why it is grabbing um, you know other stack detail as well. So currently I'm not doing the strict search, okay, that we can do, which I'm trying to say, uh, which we can do, or while I'm producing the result, I can do the filtration also there. So right now I'm not doing because I just wanted to show like how I'm doing, how I achieve this, okay. So that is only the purpose to making this video actually. So now apart from that, like see here, so we can see all the job list here with the portal from where we are getting this job list, and these are the parts, it is giving any work mode and post. I need to work on this part because as I told you, like I have to work on the regex and string splitter actually. Okay, but the main purpose was that to grab the job information from the those site actually. Okay, and if I'll click here, So first one. So here you can see it's grabbing the full stack developer and having 11 years, right? So it is checking for this one. Okay. So I asked for 8 plus years actually, and location is Bangalore. Okay. But see why it is giving me, because you can see the full stack developer here. Okay. So there is no strict search currently I'm doing that we can implement. Okay. And again, I will see for another one. So here you can see the same for full stack. I'm checking and 8 plus years of experience. Okay. And when it got posted 3 weeks before, but here if you'll see, the React.js and the Python. So see, like it is looking for the job description and title, and if something is getting matched, it is representing here actually. Okay, so let's take another example from the Indeed.com. So see, it's redirect us to this job posting site, and here if we'll go and see in the description, so you can see the location. Okay, based on this location, we are getting the information. Okay. So, yeah, again, I will say there is no strict search is happening, but we are going to work on this part. Okay. And I will tell you like how I achieve this. Okay. So initially I started using the automation tool like Playwright or Selenium, but at the end I realized that this tool will not work, because like platform like Naukri or any big site, they are having some Akamai manager, okay, kind of thing. So what it do, it will stop to do any kind of automation to their sites actually. Okay, so that is the reason you cannot do that. So I did some more research, like you can see in my, you know, in this code base. I did multiple experiment actually. So here, this is the Naukri scrap where just a dummy code, where I'm trying to, by using this URL, I'm trying to, automate that page actually. So with headless true, it is not helping, because the Takamai will stop you for headless true. But if it is headless false, then it will allow you to access the site. But still, it will not help. Like you have to like you need to see lot of parameters there. Okay, and even though also like if you cannot query to their website. Okay, because we do not have access for those things. We need a like ChatGPT or Google Gemini or Bing. So Bing Copilot. So these tools having the access, because they these web applications are running on their browser actually. First thing, not about ChatGPT. How ChatGPT is helping, because ChatGPT internally using Microsoft Bing actually, because they had a collaboration, right? So those because of that, it is producing the result. So so that is the reason, like in the ChatGPT uh, or Copilot, or in Gemini, we can do web search also in the AI tool. Okay, but we cannot do, because we do not have a license and not have the access. And also one more thing, this will work only for the public sites only. Okay, if something we need to do login and search for the result, right? So there it will not work. Okay. That is another thing. So whatever is the publicly available sites are there, like Naukri.com or Indeed.com, or even the same thing you can do for Amazon and Flipkart for product listing also. Okay. Suppose you are looking for some product and you want to compare which is having good rating, and which product bought uh, by multiple people, or uh, that condition you can put there. So those kind of thing also you can do there. Yeah, so I tried to do with this playwright, but I wouldn't succeed there. And then I came to one conclusion. Let's download the HTML page, and and with that HTML page, I will do something like I will put that HTML page in LLM, and I will refine that entire text. Okay, so I thought in that way as well. So here you can see I this is the dump which I got from that Naukri page, and here's my program where I'm using the Grok. So Grok is like a uh, cloud, or which is like which is kind of client for me for to connect to my LLMs. Okay. So currently the LLM which I'm using, that is the Lalma 370 billion 8192. So this model I'm using for refining and structured my HTML content actually. So but it's not helping because it is only downloading that single HTML file, and based on that it is giving us the result. So then I started thinking about like how this ChatGPT, Microsoft Bing, and Copilot is working. Okay, and Google Gemini is working. So I understood there is they are using some kind of web API. Uh, so like they are doing the web search actually. So Microsoft being having its own web search API, and similarly Google also having the web search API. Like you can see this programmable search engine, and one more thing is there that is called SERP API actually. So why I'm not using SERP API and Microsoft Bing? Because Microsoft Bing is going to expire in next month, and SERP API is little costly, and there is a limitation for users actually for free user. And then I found this Google Programmable Search Engine API is best because it will allow you to do a 10,000 query. So that is the reason I'm using this API for web search actually. So here in my program, you can see I wrote one fast API code where you can see like I am configuring this all the API key and CX value and results domain where I need to grab the result, right? And this is a search API which will go to the Google, you know, programmable search engine. Like with the help of this tool, I'm getting all the data actually. Okay, and then this is my code, um, which is helping me to produce the result actually. So yeah, that is only the reason I wanted to say like why I am not using the automation tool, why I'm using the you know this search engine APIs actually. Okay, so it was learning for me, so thought I should tell you guys like how you can do the web search. Like you can see in the chat GPT also, most of the time if you're looking for some products or some jobs also, so it will do the web search. So in that web search behind the scene, they are using this API actually, okay, to get the result and produce in front of you. So the same thing I tried, and yeah, we succeed here. Okay, so we can do this. I meant to say. So like yeah, one more thing I want to say, like I don't know whether we are going to use this tool or not, but yeah, it's kind of learning. That is only I want to say. This is only I wanted to share with you guys, and I hope you like this.